In the tight streets of Metro Manila.
Come on, come on.
I don't know if you could see her, but this is an autistic girl that nature presents you. In these cases, you must slap her till she's red.
Oh my god!
Look at that, look at that.
It's just extraordinary. She's actually red.
AFK.
Actually, French fries degrees Celsius.
AFK.
Making kids fat.
Ruby.
Oh, making kids fat, we have the little gym. To make kids slim.
Making
Oh,
little
Mandarin
kids-
Walk. It's changed again.
Making little kids thin again so they can be
Okay, hindi basa. Hindi masyadong wide yung lens ito kasi ang lapit eh.
Ang buildings ba usually may dalawang entrance?
Oh.
Yung front and back, ganun.
Hindi, pwedeng front and front.
Yeah, I
Ooh,
think that's the...
Jollibee Plaza.
Or then yung Jollibee Plaza.
On the urban streets of Manila. Yeah, we need to go up.
So,
No, I don't think so.
classic herbs. Yeah, that's a company for me. I think it's...
Anong floor?
No, I think it's this. Kasi look. Look at that. Jollibee's the main thing.
Ito. Ano punta natin dyan? Cody?
Check the floor. Kung possible ba may ano, may ganong floor. Kasi kung 35th floor, abot man 35 floors yan.
Unit 1701.
So first floor yun.
Pasok na rin tayo. Pasok na rin tayo. Jollibee Plaza eh.
So many doors!
Literally. Now, that's a challenge. Ano papasukin ng door? Oh my god, it's a building full of Jollibee.
Ano ba yan? Emerald Avenue.